Hi, Vermont volunteers. My name is Judy Rosovsky, and I'm with the Vermont Agency of Agriculture, Food and Markets. We are doing Operation Purple Trap in conjunction with the University of Vermont's Extension and the Vermont Department of Forest Parks and Recreation. So what you're going to get in your kits for hanging EAB traps is two purple traps stuck together and a little bag of gear. And I'm going to show you how you assemble this so we can monitor for emerald ash borer. So you take your traps, and the edges are supposed to be free of glue. So if you just want to hold them carefully, you can use your feet to help keep it open. Now these traps have, they're designed to fold in certain places, and on the inside you can see the line. So when you're pulling the traps apart, it's a good time to fold them right along those lines as you pull the sticky boards apart. Okay, we're coming to another line here. Ooh, sticky. So you take the one you're not going to use and put it down where you won't step on it, and you bend the other fold. Now remember, you want the sticky glue on the outside of the trap. So you take these little flaps, and there are slots for them, but you might have to poke out the plastic that's still in there. And one handy way to do that is use your metal spreader. Just give that purple thing a little poke. Okay, so you take these tabs and you insert them into the slots, like so. Should come out really easily, like so. There we go. And then there's also holes which are perfect size for a zip tie. And again, you can use your spreader and pop the plastic out. And then you just bend the flap, put the zip tie through, and zip it shut. And then you flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. At this point, you should be coated with sticky goo. And so you can use any kind of orange-based goop product that's used as a degreaser to clean your hands off. All right, voila. So each trap is going to have a number on it. So you should take a note of that number, and that number will also be on the bags of gear that you get. So once you've assembled your trap, the number should be on the inside. Now we're going to put the spreader on. So you it has 3 arms, and each arm has a hole. If you don't see the holes, flip your trap around the other way. There are only the holes for the spreader on one end of the trap. Then we're going to attach a lure. And we gave you a very high-tech system for attaching the lures, which is a large paper clip. So you can just, open these, put the trap in there, and use them to attach the lure to the spreader in such a way that the wind won't blow them off. And then you're ready to hang the trap. Okay, so then you're going to make yourself a throw ball. This is our kind of throw ball. It has a ring and a sack with sand, but you can just use a sock with sand in it, or you can use a rock. Be careful they don't hit you on the head, or a heavy stick or ladder. But what we do is we tie the throw ball to the rope and we find a good branch. And then you just toss the throw ball over the tree, and then you're going to tie one end of your line to the spreader, which has a handy loop. So, and you're going to take the other end, untie your throw ball, now what you want to do is thread your rope down through the inside of the trap. You do this for two reasons. It will be less sticky, and you can use it as a pulley to pull the trap up into the tree, right? So you thread your free line down through the trap, and then you just pull. You try to get your trap up there, and then you can just tie your rope to the tree, and voila, you're all set. And you come back in 6 weeks and change the lure and pull off any specimens that might be suspect EAB specimens that are stuck on the trap. And you can use your mailers that you've been given to send them into me to check. Thank you for your work.